Oh, sorry, I'm videoing.
Oh, hello! This is Coach Michelle DeMarco coming to you from the English Rose Tea Room here in Carefree, Arizona. And I want to talk to you about having fun and living life to the fullest and still being healthy and fit. So here we are in Carefree, Arizona. We're having these beautiful salads. Take a look. Don't look at mine because I already ate it. Deborah was out finding our hats, and I ate half my salad. So she's panning in on how I ate half my salad. But this is the kind of life we have. You know, we have freedom, we're living life to the fullest, and we just really want to help you do the same thing. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you visit the English Rose Tea Room in Carefree if you're in Arizona. It's really worthwhile, and you can eat healthy. Thanks.